Great morning, wonderful learners. Great morning, amazing learners. You're welcome to another section of today's online class on physical and health education. And today we'll be looking at the topic pre-colonial sports. Pre-colonial sports. And at the end of the lesson, we'll be explaining pre-colonial sports. We'll be looking at various pre-colonial sports in Nigeria and explain the origin and significance of each pre-colonial sport. So now let's look at the definition of pre-colonial sports. Pre-colonial games are sports that have existed before the introduction of modern and international games. Examples are the Abula games, Ayo game, and Langa game. These games have specific rules and regulation guiding them, and they as well promote teamwork and cooperation. So pre-colonial games are games that have existed before your chess came out, Scrabble game, snakes and ladder. These games have existed. Were the games most of our parents played before the modern games came out. Now, one exciting game we'll be looking at today is the Ayo game. The origin of Ayo game is synonymous with the origin of Africa. So when you're talking about the origin of Africa, the origin of Ayo game is inclusive or included. In Nigeria, the game is called Ayo. The plant that bears the seed for the game is called Ayo plant. The game is played between two people at a time on the game board of a curved wooden rectangular object with a total of 12 circular out pockets arranged in 2 rows of 6 pockets on each row. It is played by both male and female. Now, farmers in the southwestern part of Nigeria discovered a tree that produces smooth, hard and small spherical shaped seed, and later came up with the idea of using the seed to play a game, which is very popular in Nigeria and some parts of Africa. Ayo means seed for playing. It is played on a carved wooden board measuring 0.8 meter by 0.2 meter long with 12 holes, 6 on each side of the board. Each player tries to win seeds from the opponent's side. Now let's look at the equipment for Ayo game. Number 1 equipment, we have the game board, which is Akpon Ayo.